Okay, so first of all, we're going to calculate the mean. And the way that works is, you're going to sum it up and then divide by the total. So total number of terms. There's 5 terms in this, so you're going to divide by 5. If we sum this up, we get 120, 130 over 5. And that is equal to 26. Okay. And then our median is 5, 5. So we have to order it 5, 5, 6, 8, 106. So our median is 6. So our median, so they're asking which is greater. So our mean is greater by 20 pounds. So again, mean is the average. So obviously median is not, so that's wrong, and it should be. So it's just the application of the definitions of mean and median, and then you just need to make sure you pick the right one and make sure you're reading the question correctly. Okay, so let's read this example. The harmonic mean of a set of non-zero numbers is the reciprocal of the average of the reciprocal of the numbers. What is the harmonic mean of 1, 2, and 4? So I'll give you some time to interpret the language of the question and try to set things up, and then maybe attempt to solve it, and then we'll come back and solve.